Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Stow and Go Travel Luggage Organizer XL is probably one of the most essential items for any frequent traveler looking to maximize their packing efficiency and keep their belongings perfectly organized, ensuring that every trip, whether for business or leisure, is a seamless experience from start to finish, eliminating the stress of rummaging through a disorganized suitcase and allowing you to find what you need, when you need it, with effortless grace. Number 5. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Pewter. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these packing cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. The lightweight fabric stores clothes neatly without adding extra weight to your luggage. With a double-way zipper and a mesh top panel, you can easily identify your items and keep them fresh, preventing fumbling. Separate your clothes with these multi-sized packing cubes, available in vivid colors. They save you time by preventing misplacement and maximize the space in your luggage for a more organized trip. These organizers fit into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffel bags. They are perfect for family breaks, business trips, vacations, camping, and more. Streamline your packing and organization with these cubes for easy access to your clothes. They save you time and effort, maximizing your travel comfort and making your journey more enjoyable. What we like. This set offers premium, durable fabric that protects your clothes and is water repellent. Its lightweight design ensures you don't add extra weight to your luggage. If you're looking for a versatile organizer that keeps clothes neat and is easy to identify, this is a great choice for family trips or business travel. What people say. The Stow and Go Travel Luggage Organizer XL is a fantastic product that helps keep your belongings organized and easily accessible during travel. Its spacious design and multiple compartments make it ideal for packing a variety of items, from clothing to toiletries. The durable material ensures that it can withstand the rigors of travel, providing long-lasting use. Number 4. Large 5PC Travel Packing Cubes. Tired of digging through your suitcase? These large organizers make sorting and finding your belongings effortless. Say goodbye to flimsy bags that don't hold up. Keep your clothes neat and wrinkle-free during your travels. Assigning these bags to family members makes them perfect for group trips. The see-through mesh allows security personnel to quickly identify your bag's contents. This helps you get through security checks much faster. Unpacking is a breeze when you can simply place these organizers into your hotel drawers. They help compress your clothes, allowing you to pack more in less space. Easily manage the weight distribution in your luggage. Transferring items between these travel cubes helps you avoid those costly baggage fees. What we like. These large packing cubes are designed to make sorting and finding your items a breeze, offering ample space for your belongings. The see-through mesh allows for quick security checks, saving you time. If you prioritize ease of access, keeping clothes organized and wrinkle-free, and want a simple way to manage family packing, these are ideal. What people say. The Stow and Go Travel Luggage Organizer XL is a game-changer for packing. Its multiple compartments and compression straps keep everything neat and secure, maximizing space in my suitcase. I love how durable the material is. It has held up perfectly on several trips, and the zippers are smooth and easy to use. It makes unpacking and repacking a breeze. Number 3. VMstr Travel Vacuum Storage Bags with Electric Pump. Introducing the VMstr Travel Vacuum Storage Bags, your ultimate solution for maximizing luggage space. This set includes durable multi-layer vacuum bags and a powerful electric pump. Say goodbye to manual pumping. Our electric pump makes sealing storage bags effortless and efficient. It removes excess air quickly, ensuring your items are compactly stored. Maximize your suitcase space with these vacuum storage bags. They are the ideal solution for organizing and compressing your clothes, making travel more convenient. These bags are built to last. Featuring secure zippers and clips, they provide optimal compression and protection for your belongings, ensuring flawless long-term storage. We stand by our product. If any bag fails to hold its seal or the pump has a quality issue, we'll provide free replacements for life. Order yours today with no risk. What we like. This set comes with an electric USB pump, making it incredibly easy to achieve maximum compression and space saving for your luggage. The bags are durable, reusable, and designed for long-term storage. If you need to pack as much as possible and want a hassle-free way to compress your clothing, especially for longer trips or when space is limited, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The Stow & Go Travel Luggage Organizer XL is a game changer for packing. It has multiple compartments that keep everything organized and easily accessible. I love how the Stow & Go XL fits perfectly into my suitcase, maximizing space without adding bulk. The durable material ensures it will last for many trips. The design of the Stow & Go XL is very thoughtful. The hanging hook makes it convenient to use in any hotel room, and the zippers are smooth and sturdy. Number 2. TABITORA Portable Hanging Travel Shelves. Tired of messy suitcases? Introducing a revolutionary way to pack and unpack. Simply hang it up and access your items with ease. This innovative organizer keeps your clothes and accessories neatly separated. No more digging through your luggage to find what you need. Despite its compact design, it offers ample storage for all your travel essentials. It's the perfect solution for efficient packing. Make your next trip a breeze with this smart travel companion. It transforms any suitcase into a well-organized space. Experience the convenience of a portable closet wherever you go. It's designed for travelers who value organization and simplicity. What we like. This organizer transforms into a hanging shelf system, offering large capacity storage that keeps items tidy and accessible. Its portable design makes it easy to pack and unpack. If you appreciate having a compact travel closet that can be hung in any hotel room or closet for easy access to all your belongings, this is the organizer for you. What people say. This organizer is incredibly spacious, easily fitting all my travel essentials. The multiple compartments are a game changer, keeping everything neatly separated and accessible. The durable material feels like it will hold up well to frequent travel. Number 1. Pack Gear Hanging Carry-On Organizer. Our travel closet organizer is designed to fit any suitcase. Its sleek design can expand to accommodate all your travel necessities, making it ideal for air travel. Choosing the right organizer is simple. Our small suitcase organizer easily fits carry-on bags to keep things tidy. Refer to our sizing guide to find the perfect fit for you. Packing is a breeze with our organizer. Simply pack each compartment, place it in your bag, and you're ready to go. Zippered pockets keep everything secure and in place. Maximize your space and reduce clutter wherever you go. Hang it in tight spaces like hotel bathrooms or closets for easy access to your items. Reinforced steel hooks provide secure hanging. Locate your clothes and accessories easily with our mesh windows. No more rummaging through your luggage. Find what you need quickly and efficiently. What we like. This organizer offers a unique hanging functionality, turning your packing cubes into a travel closet for easy access. The mesh windows allow you to see your items at a glance, preventing rummaging. If you need an organizer that fits perfectly into any carry-on and allows you to keep your clothes and accessories neatly arranged and visible, this is an excellent choice for efficient travel. What people say. The Stow & Go Travel Luggage Organizer XL is a fantastic addition to any traveler's arsenal. Its spacious design easily accommodates a week's worth of clothing, and the multiple compartments keep everything neatly organized. The durable material ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel, and the lightweight construction adds no extra bulk. I was impressed by the thoughtful design of this organizer. The compression straps effectively reduce the volume of clothes, and the separate shoe compartment is a game changer. It fits perfectly into my carry-on suitcase, maximizing space and keeping my belongings protected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.